Yo, yo, what's up, happy people? Happy Hababli Sunday po sa ating lahat. So, try to natin kantayin mga koy sa mga guys. Kung kaya ba kantayin. Okay. Ayan, mega shout out po sa lahat. Palakpak naman dyan.
فريقك فايز، فريقك خسران، شجع وانت رايق مع
Hello, Mike Test. Hello. Hello, Mike Test. Lebitin. Yeah. Okay. Arizona sky, rolling in your eyes. You look at me, baby, when I get on fire. What is in my soul? The California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So in a mood to careful, I can find words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, you always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, oh, it's right to right. We don't know how to run, but don't we try? But I really know you're where you wanna go. To find me, that you will never lie. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. With the sun goes down and the band won't play, you always remember us this way. I don't wanna be just a mere baby. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, you always remember us this way. When you look at me and the whole world fades, you always remember us this way. Request kayo. So next. Comment kayo, comment lang kung gusto niya. Try natin, kakayanin niya. Ano ba bang iwang mga sounds natin? Try nga natin. Bed of Roses. Nagpawisan ako ng maraming singot.
منفش؟ مو لأنه كيرلي، لأنه ناقص ترطيب. هربل اسنسز بالالوفيرا الطبيعية المركزة بيعطي شعرك ترطيب عميق بيدوم 72 ساعة.
Himayang mahunlak.
مستحيل ما تحس.
Grabe naman.
وهذا الأسانسز
Himayang
بترتيب
mahunlak.
ملموس.
Himayang nahunlak. Sitting here wasted one day, that is all we ever know. Trying too hard to capture the morning I don't know. It's the battle of blood can still lights in my head, and some blending nightmares. I think it's still in my bed. As I dream of a Marvis that won't meet me when I'm dead. With an iron-clad face, I wake up and freeze Christy morning. Well, some marching's been skipping on bed in my head while we're talking. About all the things that I long to believe about the love, the truth, what you mean to me and the truth is. Baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay down a bed of roses for tonight. And it's still and it sticks in my way home. Walking strums and dimes and it gives the night to speak home. I still want all the time when it's hard to get through till the bird and the wire flies me back to you and it just close my eyes and whisper, I love you true. I wanna lay down a bed of roses for tonight. I sleep with the beat of night. So I wanna be just as close as home. close your eyes, no one will thinking about you. Well, my mistress calls me to stand here in spotlight, okay? Tonight I won't be alone, but you know that I won't be lonely. I get nothing to prove for you to decide to get here. I wanna lean down and beat the roses. For tonight I'll sleep in the bed of nails. I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is. Lead you down. I wanna lead down the feet of roses. For tonight I sleep in the bed of nails. I wanna lean just as close as the Holy Ghost is. Lead you down with a bead of roses. Grabe. Pawisa lang ng maraming sipon. At sinisipon ako ng maraming sipon.
Good Girl Blush Elixir, the new feminine fragrance, Carolina Herrera.
صباح الخير.
Sunod. Next.
نجم النجوم.
Request.
وليه بيفرح شخصيا؟ الله على جمال السعودية وجمال ناسها.
مفيش حلاوة زي حلاوة مصر وأهلها.
شكرا. أنا بقيت كل مرة أروح فيها السعودية انبهر. كل زيارة في جديد. والمرة دي ليه؟ المرة دي مفاجأة. إنما قول لي.
Ano ba yung ibang kanta natin? Ito. Hello, Mekis. Hello. All day, staring at us and making friends. We try to swim my wall. All night, hearing voices telling me that I should get some sleep, because tomorrow night we get empty. Hold on, feeling like I'm headed for a breakdown. I don't know why, but I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell. I know right now you can't tell me, but see what I mean, the thing you say is deep inside of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little impaired, I know, but now you don't care. But soon enough you gotta think of me, how I used to be me. Talking to myself in public, dodging branches on the tree. I don't know,
I know they'll all be talking about me, and I can hear them whisper, and it makes me think it must be good time being me. Out of my nose to gain somehow, when I lost my mind. But I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell. I know right now you don't tell, but still while I be the thing you see, the different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little impaired. I know right now you don't care, but soon enough you're gonna think of me how I used to be. I've been taken to my sleep. Pretty soon I'll come to get me. You're taking me away. But I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell. I know right now you can't tell, but still while you're not thing you see, different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unaware. I know but now you don't care, but soon enough you're gonna think of me now I'm used to be.
Well, Tagalog naman tayo. Grabe na, puro naman English. Pabarel naman dyan. Ano pa bang mga Tagalog? Ito. Last songs. Last parating nagkagig-gig nito. Kaya ito.
لو سألت عن صالوني الكل رح يقول لكم نظيف وملون زيي.
أوف، مستحيل نشيل البقع ويتدلع زي ما هو.
مستحيل، شكلك ما سمعتي بالاختراع الجديد.
اريال جل الجديد يزيل أصعب البقع لنظافة منورة.
Hello, Mike Test. Para to sa mga magsuwang ng iwan at iniwan.
Ginawa ko naman ang lahat, sumugal ako kahit alam kong talo. Iginugol ko lahat ng oras ko sa'yo, para maramdaman wala na ganyan kita kamahal. Pero para wala lang sa'yo ang lahat ng maghihirap ko. Sana'y di na lang kita nakilala, sana'y di na lang kita nakasama. Sinaktan mo lang ako, sana'y di na lang kita minahal. Di na sana nagising sa magandang panaginip kung madaratan ko lang ang Sana'y di na lang kita nakasama. Sinaktan mo lang ako. Sana'y di na lang kita minahal. Nung una kitang makita halos napakasaya ko. Halos di may pinta ang ngiti sa labi ko. Yung tipong sabay tayong mag-good morning sa isa't isa. Yung tipong sabay tayong nag-alala at nagtatanong kung kumain ka na at nasaan ka. Yung lambing na di na tayo maghihiwalay. Kaso ang lahat ng yun ay akala ko lang pala. Dumating ang umaga, nagbago ka lang bigla. Yung lambing pagmamahal ay tuluyan na ngang nawala. Nasa'y na yung dating ikaw, na yung dating ikaw na kapag kasama ko yung puso ko ay umihiyaw. Mahal, miss na kita. Kailan ka ba babalik? Miss ko na yung init na yung yakap at tamis ng yung halik. Pero kung usapang pagbabalik, mukhang malabo na. Dahil lahat ng pagkukulang ko, wala'y napuna ng iba. Sana'y di na lang kita nakilala. Sana'y di na lang kita nakasama. Sinaktan mo lang ako. Sana'y di na lang kita minahal. Sakit, di ba? Napakasakit. Sa lahat ng sakit. Masakit sa kaigit. Next song. Shout out sa 1 million viewers.
لا تضيع فرصة الفوز برحلة إلى اليورو. استمتع بخصومات وعروض من مايسترو بيتزا وتذاكر مجانية من امباير سينماز. اشرب كوكا كولا، امسح الرمز واقلبها.
Hello, my dears. Ikaw ay nagdaramdam, puso ay nagdurugo. Hindi mo yata alam kung saan ka patungo. Ikaw ay naliligaw, isip ay nalilito. Ayaw mo nang gumalaw, hindi ka sigurado. Ikaw ay napupuwing, minsa'y nabubulaga. Mata ay nakapiring, dahan ay kadiliman. Ikaw ay nadadapa, napipilayan din. Di makapagsalita, anong ibig sabihin? Wala namang perfectong tao. Ano bang epekto kung mayroon kang epekto? 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 ikaw ay nalililigtas ka ba sa rihas? Bakit ka nakapiit? Bakit ka tumatakas? Ikaw ay natatakot, parang walang hangganan. Ang kirot ng bangungot, di mo makalimutan. Ikaw ay nalulumo bilang napangarap. Gusto mo nang sumuko, mundo kong magugunaw. Wala namang perpektong tao. Ano bang epekto kung mayroon kang epekto? 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 Ikaw ay inaalon, walang kalaban-laban. Tuluyan ang nalulunod tungo sa kalaliman. Ikaw ay naluluha, agad kang nahulog. Bumabagsak sa lupa at biglang nadurog. Ikaw ay nagdurusa, kaya pa bang tumagal? Hindi na makahinga, lalo bang nasasakal? Ikaw ay dumaraing, dala mo ba ang sumpa? Para kang ililibing at pinagluluksan. Wala namang perpektong tao. Ano bang epekto kung mayroon kang epekto? 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 Wala namang perfecto. Ano bang epekto kung mayroon kang epekto? Wala namang perfectong tao.
Last. Ano bang last natin? Ano bang mga kanta natin dati, ha? Ano yung mga kanta natin dati? Ano ba yun? Tididing-ding-ding, tididing-ding-ding, tididing-ding-ding. Ano ba yung kanta natin dati? Yung kanta natin tuwing lasing. Tapos, hulog-hulog sa jokehan. Ano ba may ibang kanta yun? Kumakanta yun na... Uwak na.
Awesome!
Try tayo maghanap ng ibang kanta. Bisan pa kung may lain ka na agad. Try natin ito.
هيربل اسنسز بخلاصة النباتات الطبيعية يقدم مجموعة تنمية للشعر لتغذية مرتين أكثر ونعومة ما تكتفي من لمسها. معززة بزيت الأرجان المغربي الحقيقي المستخلص قطرة قطرة. هيربل اسنسز بخلاصة النباتات الحقيقية.
Hello, my dears.
Hey dad, look at me. Deep back into to me. Did I grow up according to plan? Do you think I'm wasting my time doing things you want to? But it hurts when you disapprove all alone. And I try hard to make it. I just wanna make you proud. And never gonna be good enough for you. Can't pretend that I'm alright. And you can't treat me, 'cause we lost it all. Nothing lasts forever. I'm sorry, it can't be perfect. Now it's just too late, and we can't go back. I'm sorry, it can't be perfect. I try not to dream about the pain I feel inside. Did you know you used to be my hero? All the days you spent with me now seem so far away, and it feels like you don't care anymore. And now I try hard to make it. I'm just wanna make you proud. If I'm gonna be good enough for you, I can't stand another fight. And nothing's alright, 'cause we lost it all. Nothing lasts forever. I'm sorry, it can't be perfect. Now it's just too late, and we can't go back. I'm sorry, it can't be perfect. Nothing's gonna twist the things that you say, and nothing's gonna make this right again. Please turn your back. I can't believe it's just took to you, but you don't understand. Cause we lost it all. Nothing lasts forever. I'm sorry, can't be perfect. Now it's just too late, and we can't go back. I'm sorry, can't be perfect. 'Cause we lost it all. Nothing lasts forever. I'm sorry, can't be perfect. Now it's just too late, and we can't go back. I'm sorry, it can't be perfect.
Last na po talaga. Last na po talaga.
After some time, I finally have my mind. She's the girl, and I really want to make her mine. I'm searching in every way to find her again, to tell her I love her, and I'm sorry about things I've done. I find her standing in front of the church, the only place in town where I didn't see her. She looks so happy in the wedding dress, but she's crying while she's saying that, boy, I miss your kisses all the time. This is 25 minutes too late. Joy, you traveled so far, boy, you saw you were 25 minutes too late. Games away, I'm going home again, wishing me back to the time where we were more than friends. But still I see her in the front of the church, the only place in town where I didn't see her. She looks so happy in her wedding dress, but she's crying while seeing this. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time. This is 25 minutes too late. Try to travel so far, boy, you saw you were 25 minutes too late. Out of the streets, places where hours of nothing to eat. Inside my head, still I can hear the words she saying. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time. This is 25 minutes too late. Through your travel too far, boy, so you were 25 minutes too late. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time. This is 25 minutes too late. Through your travel too far, boy, so you were. Tama na.
Karaoke TV.
I'm strong, I'm sure, I'm in control, I'm leading with a plan, believing that life is a neat little package you hold in my hand. I've got it together, they call me the curse, you just want to see you know. Still and fumble and fall, run into I know that you can, so you can be my man. Tonight I don't wanna be just another woman in love. Get out cold, fire out control, and just another phone that touch me and I wake like a feathers in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman, love. Just another woman in love. Get out cold, a fire out control, just another phone. You touch me and I wake like a feathers in the wind, and I can't wait to feel dancing me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. Okay. Anong oras na ba? Okay. Mag-ano tayo? Mag-signing off na tayo. Mag-signing off na tayo kasi ano na, 10 oras ng gabi. La 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 la.
كمعلمة وأم دائما أتأكد أن الكل في أمان من الجراثيم والفيروسات. لازم أستخدم داك جولد، ينظف ويطهر، وهذا هو الدليل، ورائحته تدوم.
Hiraya! Mga bata, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang mag-ibig, panas ng silanganan, halap ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Upang hinirang, tuyang hanggang pag-ibig, sa mandulubig, di ka masisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa sibuyan, sa langit mo'y bukhang, may dinagang tula at awit sa panay minamahal. Ang isip ng matawat mo'y tagumpay na nagtinilig, ang bitong bilat parang yakay at pamay di magdidilim. Lumalang araw hati pagsita, uyalangin sa piling. Ang ligaya lang ko ay mag-aakit, ang matay ng aking
Ay,
Hanggang sa muli mga bata, like